Today is Saturday, December 20th, 2025. And these are the Satsuma. They're not ready yet, so in a couple more weeks or passion fruits here. And a couple over there that had dropped from here. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, looks good. And then I'm gonna pick this one and a couple here because it's gonna be raining and I want to pick it because it's gonna get wet and rot. Anyway, so these are still green and not ready yet. So check out how big this passion fruit vine is. Look at that. It's about 3-4 years old, 4 or 5 years old. Okay, so this is the lemon zest. So I think this one should be ready. Leave that one. And this one. Ooh, that one dropped. I didn't know. So maybe I'll pick this one too. It seems like it's ready too. And where else? Sometimes they're hidden in here. Okay, and then this one here. Came off easily. And then, oh, one more here. I didn't see. Okay, let's see if there's any more. I'm gonna pick all of them because it's gonna be raining. Ooh, right there. Oh, this one. It looks like it's soft already. This one, maybe I'll just leave it. Doesn't look like it's ready. Okay, I think that's it. I have to go check on the other side. Oh, there's another one out there. I have to go to the other side. So there's, ooh, one more here. I didn't see. Okay. So, oops, there's another one. Done. That's a lot here. Okay. I think that, okay, so I see another one over on that side. So, let's see here. No more. Okay. I think this side is clean. I'll go to the other side. So I got so far 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Looks like they're flowering too. Some of it are flowering. See? Yeah. Ooh, there's a couple here, but first there's one here. Oh darn. It's moldy. I didn't know that. It dropped. One. Let's pick these two. Okay, I think that should be it. No more. So 11. 11. Okay. No more. That's it. That's it for the year. And here are my Cherimoya. Look at this. clusters of Cherimoya. And there's some up there too. Let's see. And then this mango is also flying. And then this Cherimoya dropped. Let's see which one is ready. Not yet. There's a lot in here, but I think the rats or something, the squirrel, ate quite a bit of it. Let's see. There, I saw some big ones the other day. They're gone. And then mango. These one are the Kiyosawa, almost ready. Got a couple left. But, let's see. So, winter fruits for the winter. Okay. And then these Cherimoya are on this other tree. Look at that. There's a lot. Let's see. Loaded. Okay, so I'm gonna it's sweet, fiberless, a little bit lemony. I should have waited a few days for the lemon flavor to go away. But it's really sweet and creamy. Very different than Matcha Nook.